Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl and Kamakawa Ida. As usual, we give thanks to God for blessing us with another beautiful day. So guys, as you can see today's video, we are going to be making some porridge, and that is 1 to 2 year baby porridge. And we are going to be using these amazing flowers you can see on the background, which is Wimby Afia flour. Oh my god, this flour is just on another level. So for me, I made a lot of porridge because I use that flour to make porridge for the whole family, but you can use it for your 1 to 2 year old baby or even older babies. So let's get straight to the video. Hope you are going to enjoy the video. Make sure to watch to the end so that you won't miss out on anything. Subscribe and let's do this. So guys, we are going to be using Wimby Afia flour for our porridge. Remember, it's a 1 to 2 year baby porridge, of which you can still use it for the whole family. So Wimby in English is finger millet. So it has protein, dietary fiber, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, zinc, B vitamins, all that are in this flour. They are fortified in this flour, so you are assured of a well-balanced porridge. And as you can see, this Wimby Afia flour has no chemical or additives or even preservatives, so it is purely very natural. So let's get to put in the flour in our cup. So we are going to be, since we use 3.5 cups of water, we are going to be using we'll be using 4 tablespoons, 4.5 tablespoons, 4.5 tablespoons of flour. This is one of the best. I like its smoothness and how soft it is. It's actually very soft and smooth. So let's get to prepare our porridge. We're going to be mixing. Remember, in my other video, if you've not yet watched Secrets to Baby Weaning Porridge, we actually sieved the flour after mixing with water. But in this process, we are not going to be sieving anything because uh, from 1 to 2 years, baby can be able to digest porridge quite well. So we are not going to be sieving anything. You're just going to be mixing with some water to a very smooth consistency, not so smooth, a bit thick. Meanwhile, let's put on our fire. Let's put on our fire as we mix. This is how you mixing it. Make sure you mix it so well such that it doesn't have lumps. Mix it very well to avoid any lumps, and mix it to a bit thick consistency, not too light. So we use 3.5 cups of water and 4.5 tablespoons of the flour of Wimbi Afia flour. So you make sure there are no lumps completely. This is how you're doing it. Remember, you can use this flour for the whole family. So today I'm cooking it for the whole family. Though I have a 2-year-old baby who will be also taking it, she really loves this porridge. So you can, if you want to prepare it just for your baby, you can do so. If your whole family loves porridge, you can also use the same flour. And I like it because it doesn't have too much ingredients on it. Remember, each ingredient is digested one at a time. At a time, you cannot mix the way people put all the mixtures, omena, I don't know, dengu, what, all in one. You'll be actually doing a waste, because all that will go to a waste, because the body cannot take all the nutrients at once. So make sure you choose a flour that gives you one variety at a time. Right now we're using finger millets, yeah, so it's one at a time, at most maybe two products. Yeah, that's what I would recommend. So we are not going to be putting any milk in this porridge. For better consumption of the for both milk and porridge nutrients, it's best if you take maybe porridge and then take milk later, so that you can give the porridge time to be able to be absorbed in the body, and then take milk the other time, or take milk then porridge the other time. So remember, we said one ingredient at a time. That's the best. So we're going to be to wait for our water to boil, but slightly before it gets to boil, we're going to be pouring in our mixture. So to avoid the porridge getting lumps, you pour in the mixture before the water boils completely. Yeah, so that you can be able to stir very well, to stir in the mixture very well. We're going to be using a wooden cooking stick to do. I prefer a wooden cooking stick rather than using a spoon when stirring in your mixture, or when making your porridge in the sufuria. So right in before the water boils completely, we're going to be pouring in our mixture. So you pour in as you stir. You pour in as you stir. We're going to be rinsing off our nene. This is where the lumps start forming. So make sure you stir completely, frequently, as in fluently. Don't stop stirring. And then we rinse off our cup. Make sure you keep stirring. boil so well, so give it time, let it boil. So we are going to be adding in some Prestige, some margarine from Prestige. That's what you're going to be adding to give it some taste. We'll add in also some sugar, four and a half tablespoons of sugar. Then you stir. Give it time to cook well. So depending on the number of people maybe you're making for, or maybe if it's your baby alone, you can maybe just make 1 cup, use 1 cup of water, and maybe 1.5 tablespoons of flour. So just depending on the number of people you're making the porridge for, it will determine the amount of porridge you're going to. So guys, as you can see, our porridge is so ready, very well cooked. And guys, as you have seen, my baby loves porridge. Oh my god. And that's why she's a little chubby girl that loves drinking porridge. You know, porridge is very nutritious. We don't introduce juices, and I don't know what to babies. Make sure your baby loves porridge. And in this video, in this channel, I always plug you with the best flour that will make your baby love porridge. If you've not seen the baby winning porridge, go and check it out, because I did a video on it. So for this video, hope you've learned something. Make sure to share and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.